Arvind Kejriwal faces the charge of shielding two of his racist ministers, including Somnath Bharti, whose midnight raid at Delhi's Khirki extension was the source of the protracted standoff between the state of Delhi and the centre. The second is Kumar Vishwas, the poet turned politician, whose racist comment on nurses from Kerala has also angered many in the state. Now, the Chief Minister of Kerala, Oommen Chandy, has shot off a letter to Arvind Kejriwal asking him to direct Vishwas to apologise to the nurses who are deeply hurt. But will Mr. Kejriwal act against his own?
Are Somnath Bharti and Kumar Vishwas not armed enough? Are they above the law of land? If not, why is Mr. Kejriwal shielding these leaders who face charges of racism among several others? Sample this. One after another's Delhi law minister has been going about town, conducting raids at stores and neighborhoods. Somnath Bharti has also been served a show cause by the Delhi Bar Council, seeking his response in an old case after a CBI court held that he had tampered with evidence by influencing a prosecution witness.
Despite being sent a summon by the Delhi Commission for Women, Delhi's Law Minister Somnath Bharti failed to depose before the DCW. Now the Commission will send him a summon again, and if he fails to depose before the Commission, even this time, the DCW officials will write a letter to the Lieutenant Governor and the Commissioner of Police recommending them to file an FIR against the Law Minister.
Bharti feigns ignorance while the DCW claims to have already served summons to Somnath Bharti to appear before the Delhi Commission for Women for harassing Ugandan ladies during the Khirki extension midnight raid. But Bharti has been insisting that it is the women who were the source of all trouble.
और वो नहीं आए हैं. मैंने फ़ोन पे भी कोशिश करी उनसे बात करने की, नहीं बात हुई है. और अब हम जो नेक्स्ट है हमारा प्रोसीजर जो है उसके हिसाब से हम लोग पुलिस SHO को बुला के उसके थ्रू उनको समन देंगे. और फिर भी अगर वो नहीं आते हैं तो हम फर्दर उनमें LG साहब को लिख के और उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करने की.
सर बता दो दीजिए, DCW जाएंगे आप 3 बजे?
गला बिल्कुल बैठा हुआ है मैडम, पूरा गला बैठा हुआ है.
हाँ या ना तो बोल लीजिए.
गला बाद बात करेंगे.
In case a complaint is filed, sections 354, 509 and 506 could be slapped on him and he could face up to 2 years in jail. Instead of acting against his minister's vigilante functioning, Kejriwal has instead shielded Bharti, labelled the court wrong and has turned Bharti's standoff with the Ugandan ladies as a focal point for his indefinite dharna. Does this expose two faces of the Aam Aadmi Party's leadership?
Things have been said, but I've just heard that she said those words. I mean, he has used some very unkind words, and the language was definitely not on. I feel that needs to be corrected. But now look at the cause. You look at the cause that he was fighting for. The drug rackets that happen in the city. Yes, they are a big problem.
Kumar Vishwas's name is getting entangled in one controversy after another, for hurting both Hindu and Muslim sentiments and now a racist slur against Kerala nurses. But not once has Arvind Kejriwal spoken against his party's most controversial leader.
इससे अतर हमें खेल लगा और हमने एक याचिका दायर की कि इन पर FIR दर्ज की जाए, क्योंकि ये ऐसे वर्ड हैं जो हमारी धार्मिक भावनाओं को आहत करते हैं.
Do armed laws not apply to Kejriwal and his band of not so armed leaders?